How to blur a face in CapCut PC. So if you want to blur a face in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut, go with create project, and then select the project in which you have your face. Now in my case, I have the face right here. So if you want to remove or blur this face, you need to first select the clip, right click on it, and then go with copy. And here you need to right click on it, go with paste, and it will be pasted, right? Once you copy paste, and once you've done that, you need to select the first or the top one. And here on the right side, you will have mask option. You need to go with the mask. So I'll just simply go with the circle mask. And here you need to adjust it. So I want to blur this part. After adjusting, now if you go and hide this track, as you can see that this part will be circled. So once you get the exact part, you need to go with effects, which is on the top left. Now here you need to select blur, make sure that you're under video effects, and then you need to go with blur, and I'll just simply go with a blur effect. So drag and drop it and add that blur. Make sure that you drag and drop the blur to the first video. And after that, if you play the video, as you can see that the face has been blurred. So that's how you can use your blur effect. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. How to export a section of video from CapCut PC. So if you want to export a particular section, like for example, if you want to export this whole video, then you can go with export and it will export the whole video. But what if you want to export only the specific part? Then what you need to do is just place your cursor from where you would like to start and then press I on your keyboard and it will start the starting point, and then go with the end point and then press O on your keyboard, which will go with the end point. Now, once you have your start and your end point, you need to just go with export, which is on the top right. And once you click on export, it will export the video. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.